Hi, I'm Andy Brown and I hope to see you at my EuroSTAR workshop. Now, critical thinking skills are essential to testing. However, they're rarely taught. Plus, we're vulnerable to biases and thinking traps that can catch out even the most seasoned tester. In this workshop, I share a training course I developed for helping testers develop critical thinking and testing skills. And we begin with a classic test where we identify the rule connecting three numbers. We'll make some mistakes and learn this is due to a bias known as confirmation bias. Next, we select different coloured balls from a bag to explore how we can end up building tests that have no diagnostic value. We'll use another experiment to explore how our reasoning does not use logic, or at least not rational logic. And next, we splash around with some water to explore how we are vulnerable to EINSTELLUNG, or functional fixedness, where our minds solve problems using fixed patterns. We also explore a problem with 12 weights to reveal just how much unknown hidden information may be available in test results. So come along and join me at EuroSTAR and learn how to improve your testing by enhancing your critical thinking skills.